How to build a custom WordPress or Squarespace website quickly using Fiverr. Hello everyone and welcome back. If you're trying to build a website, you know how difficult it can be. So no longer do you have to try to figure out how to work with WordPress or Squarespace. Instead, Fiverr web designers can create professional websites that are responsive without coding knowledge. All you need to do is head on over into Fiverr and you can see there are several different website builders available. You can find the perfect website builder for you, and you can see there are different packages including their basic, standard, and premium. Once you have figured out what type of website you want to build, whether it is for a service, for your product, if this is going to be a store, if this is going to be a blog, whatever it might be, you can just tell the Fiverr professional that this is a website I want to build and this is my brand, this is the basic information, and then the rest is left to them. So if you need to build a website fast, click the Fiverr link in the description to hire a pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next.